la leto e castiglies fa talama mo foi na pai lá mo foi fogo tanga ngali ya ki ya ole daga be bau ya matu nei na ya ofeia ya la tampaiatu se matu sau tu sai fo i male pa mo fa na ya ni sa ya pula sa pa ya mai mo matu sila hey salu
Fata otas fumaitu, fai umumu se fata manifa. E fala muna tali potera o atulum tama. Au le fata oim, e le fala mo yeso aina. E ai tamata e mere le fulum mutu. An manawa mio leano. E ai yesa o tamata le o mutu. E tau se ieru na nganga. A tamata fa mana ona la mutu. E mau e ie malaya. Tuina nau loto pai e, reise me maua, an mana a fi ngai ngā ruenga, ma tuai mai ona o ia. My God loves me, and all the wonders I see, the rainbow shines through my window. Loves me, ole atua e alofa e matango filmo ova aia, no lua sulu iyo famalama, le atua e alofa e te
I knew God was going to, I always used to pray. My prayer was I asked God to not to let the devil kill me out here while I was in the streets before I could get back. But I said, if you give me one more chance at life and music, I promise you, I'm going to shout you out and I'm going to testify and we're going to have a little church in there. Waking up, thanking God, every day is feeling just like Sunday. When you fly by my side, green light, everything's going my way. Light clean, living dreams, just like the Bible and I'm feeling like Midas. Heard him say, give him praise, what's in the water got you acting like this. And the day go by, yeah, I don't try to thank the Lord above. And if you wonder why I'm loving life, I'm close and I tell you what's up. Just ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed, yes. Living every moment, no regrets. Smile up on my face, I'm like, oh, yes, I'm blessed, yes, I'm blessed, yes. Just ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed, yes. Living every moment, no regrets. Smile up on my face, I'm like, oh, yes, I'm blessed, yes, I'm blessed, yes. Playing cards, laughing hard, barbecuing, waking up the whole block. Music loud, turning loud, little kids are breaking out the bus stop. Life is good, really good, and every moment, no, I can't forget. I gotta say, I won't change. You're the reason that I am like this. And the day go by, yeah, I don't try to thank the Lord up above. And if you wonder why I'm loving life, come close and I'll tell you what's up.